Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to create funnel in GoHighLevel. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your GoHighLevel account, and you want to access to funnels. So make sure that you are signed in using your account, and once you are signed in, you will have to go to sites on the left side, then go and click on funnels on the top left side. Once you're all done, now you want to click on new funnel on the top right side in order to create your new funnel. Once you click on new funnel, here you have three options. You have from blank, Funnel AI, or from templates. For easier approaches, you can simply click on from templates, and here you can see all the templates that you can use. You can customize one of them in order to be suitable for you, or you can use a different approach by simply clicking on Funnel AI, and you will just have to describe what do you need exactly in your funnel, and it will use the AI in order to generate the funnel to you. But here in my case, I will simply start from blank, from scratch. So I'm gonna use it. Then it tells you what industry does your company serve. So just type anything that you actually introduce or make for your industry. And after that, here you can see here on the left side what you can actually add. So you can add the cookie terms, the subscribe button, the privacy and policy, application page, links, and so on, etc. And the good thing is that you can add the name for your page and add the path, then click on create funnel step. And you can go here through the customization menu, add some headings, add some buttons, add some images, add links, and so on. And once you're all done, click on save on the top right side right here. And after that, you will need to go to the settings. And here in the settings section, you will have to provide the domain, the name, the path, the body tracking code, and all the essential settings in order to set up your funnel. Once you're all done, go scroll down and click on the save button on the bottom right side. And now we are in the step of trying or experimenting the funnel that you have created. So in order to do so, you have to go to the top. Then here you have this preview button just right here. Just click on it. And now you can preview the website that you have created. You can now go and check every button. You can go and check every link. You can go and check every page, every image, and make sure that all things are working properly. And after that, you can simply publish it and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.